Management is very simple. We break it down into two things, creating competency and productivity. These are the two things that every manager needs to be great at. Now, if there's a lack of competency, that's through either bad management or a lack of management. If there's a lack of productivity, it's through either a lack of management or bad management again. See, when we say management is a process or managing processes, think of it this way. Management is a system and leadership is an art form. So the systematic approach to management allows us to get great results and great execution with our teams. This 12-week course is for managers and business owners to learn the process to build more effective, productive individuals in your business. Because if you don't have productive individuals, you don't have a productive business. It's extremely straightforward, extremely simple to understand, but not so easy to implement. When you understand these two concepts, you can properly understand how to build your business internally. You need to learn the process of management because once you understand it, you can duplicate it every single day. The course is broken down into weekly bite-sized 30-minute videos, followed up by a live weekly call to review what you've learned and how you've implemented what you've learned into your business that week. We'll be teaching you how to build a management process within your business because it's simple. It's a system. It's a system that can be followed daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly. Then you can focus on leadership and how to get your people more engaged, interested, excited, and passionate about what you do. I'm Nick Ruddle, and I'm here to elevate your people and your business to a whole new level. Sign up or inquire today.